Good morning, beautiful people. And what's up? It's your girl Lici. I'm here because I need to do something with my hair. So yeah, last week I did a bomb wash and go, but I did not record it. But I came back to you this week to actually record it this time. I'm sorry. And yeah, just show y'all what I'm doing now for my wash and goes. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and y'all stay tuned.
Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and do something about this. This is not okay. I am a whole joke, but my hair is freshly washed, and I'm about to show you guys what I use for my wash and go, which is organic olive oil and then the Wetline Extreme Gel. And yes, I'm mutting it. I don't care. I needed that good thumbnail. So on a normal wash routine day, I already deep condition and twist my hair in the shower. That's why it's already twisted. So right now I'm just gonna section out a small little part, and I'm gonna get some olive oil and really work that bad boy in there. You can go ahead and part your hair as you see fit, because obviously I want to work that Wetline gel really into it, so I'm gonna make like some small parts. So now I'm gonna take my Wetline gel, and I'm gonna take a good amount, like a very generous amount, and work that into my hair. After working that bad boy in my hair, you can either take a Denman brush or a wide tooth comb and just kind of work the product in your hair. I brush it in. I want to see my curls. Yes, look at that juiciness. Amen, Lord. Amen. So after brushing it, I'm then going to finger comb it and then individually like twirl my hair, I guess you can say. I don't know the proper term, but y'all will see exactly what I'm talking about. But amen, look at that. So after finger coiling each piece, I'm then going to twist each small part very loosely. It's not like a tight twist. I'm just twisting it so the curls are still defined. Hopefully you get what I mean. And then I'm gonna make sure like I finger coil the ends, and that's literally what I'm gonna do to my entire head. So you're gonna be left with a nice loose twist that's still kind of curly. And I'm about to prepare myself for this long twist that I'm about to do in my head. So let me sip my tea in peace. Also, shout out to Only One Jess. I saw her do this routine for her wash and go, and I thought I would try it, and it has been my go-to ever since.
Whew. Okay, y'all. So my hair is finally done. This is how it looks. Nice and juicy. But yeah, I'm gonna go under the dryer for like probably 30 to 45 minutes. Then I'm gonna go to sleep, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I'm gonna stretch and take out my hair. So yeah, I'll be right back.
Alright guys, so this is how my hair looks fully dried. I have not stretched it or anything. So to stretch my hair, I'm going to use a blow dryer that has the comb at the end. And I definitely did stretch my hair with a little heat. A little heat ain't gonna hurt nobody, so that's exactly what I did. And I'm just basically stretching it from the roots. Alright, so I'm done stretching my hair, and now I'm going to carefully take out each twist, like literally from the bottom up. I don't want to ruin the curls that were formed in each twist. So I'm going to separate that bad boy, and y'all about to see my curls come to life, okay? Like, y'all, look, look at that curl pattern. Best and believe your girl was happy as heck. Like, what? Okay, so all of my twists are taken out, and I'm going to take a wide tooth comb to kind of make my hair bigger and style it the exact way I want it to be. Then for my edges, I'm going to use my She Is Bomb edge control just to get my life together, because yeah, y'all know you got to slay the edges. Like, come on now, we just got to do it. Then to finish off this look, y'all already know, I am just going to wrap my edges, let them sit for a bit, and then I'm gonna take them bad boys off. Alright guys, this is the finished look. This is my wash and go routine from start to finish. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and of course subscribe. Join the fam. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.